we are at the Triumph showroom. You can see this is the line for today. Have this beauty of today. ये अपने राइड एंड राइडर्स की ब्यूटी है. This is amazing. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for a very special ride. I'll tell you the details soon in the blog, but you can see this is the theme for today. It is a gentleman theme. So I am wearing a suit. So मिलते हैं बाइक पे. So finally we are on the road. So hello riders. Today we are going to do a group ride with RR riders. So this is the first time while I'm riding with them. Today's ride is special because this is just not a ride. This is for a noble cause. This is for a thing that we don't talk about. This is for men's mental health. Today we are riding to raise the awareness for men's mental health. This is organized by the DGR, Distinguished Gentleman Ride. So across the globe, 128,000 riders are going to ride around 108 countries. So from Pune, we are going to join from Aund. Right now, I'm in Dange Chowk and I'm heading towards the Aund Triumph showroom. About mental health, I don't know, like we should talk about it, we shouldn't talk about it. It is a norm set by society from bachpan ki bhai, if you are a man, you have to suppress your emotions. Whatever happens with you, you have to deal with it alone. Some men, I guess most of them, are able to suppress the emotions. They are strong enough to handle themselves. But on the other hand, there are, I can't say there might, there are definitely a group of men who don't open up, who are going through depression, anxiety, I don't know, whatever you can call it. But we are riding just to say this, that it is okay. It is okay to open up. It is okay to say about the things that you feel. It's okay to break the norm set by the society. Like I have seen the fathers, like my father, many of the friends' father, as they grow up, they become silent. Only they know what they are dealing with. Only they know what are the problems going in their life, in our life, I mean the family. But they don't talk about it. So it is okay. It is okay to break a norm. It is okay to share the things. I am not talking about the gender, I am not discriminating the gender. It is for all. We are not riding just for men. We support the mental health in general. So that is the main reason we are riding today. And I'm riding for the first time with Rad and Riders. So मैं join हुआ था दो तीन महीने पहले, but I couldn't get time. So we are riding for the first time and this ride is special. Like इससे बढ़िया first ride नहीं हो सकती थी मेरी. Also it is a very short ride. We are starting from Aund and we will stop near SB Road. So it is just a city ride to raise the awareness among the people आज अभी मस्त हमारा प्लान है, जब मैं राइड से घर पे जाऊंगा, तो आज संडे है तो वो मतलब नया प्लान नहीं है, इट इज़ बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट कि अगर संडे है तो मिसल खानी ही खानी है। सो कल रात से एक्साइटमेंट चल रही थी भाई, कल सुबह जाना है मिसल खाने। मतलब मिसल इज सच अ थिंग ना ब्रो, कि कितनी भी बार खाओ तुम्हारा मन नहीं भरेगा उस चीज़ से। पेट भर जाएगा बट मन नहीं भरेगा। सो फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 years यू कैन से लाइक हम कंटिन्यू हर संडे मिसल ही खाते हैं फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, बट आज तो कभी ऐसे लगा नहीं यार, नहीं यार संडे है कुछ अलग ट्राई करते हैं। अलग ट्राई करते हैं तो हम इवनिंग में कर लेंगे, आफ्टरनून में कर लेंगे, बट संडे ब्रेकफास्ट इज डेडिकेटेड टू मिसल। ये लॉयल्टी चाहिए भाई बंदे में। एंड आई गेस वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर। Triumph Passion is on the right on 500 meters. Okay, there is a lot of lineup already there. My god. My god. So I thought कि we are early, but no, we are late. दिनेश भाई तो दिख नहीं रहे मुझे यहाँ पे। So finally we are at the Triumph showroom and you can see this is the lineup for today. We also have one more hunter over here. और अपनी ये मेरा टॉप पकड़ा आवाज़ आ रहा है, so I don't know what is the issue. Dinesh bhai is not yet here, so let's see some of the bikes. So this is 1200 Rally Pro. ये बाइक हमने कोकन में देखी थी बहुत रिसेंटली. This is also a very good machine, 660. Speedmaster. आई थिंक बहुत जल्दी ही लाइनअप चालू हो जाएगा. आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन फ्रॉम द आरआर इज हियर येट. आई नीड टू कॉल देम. लेट्स सी. वी हैव दिस ब्यूटी ऑफ टुडे. ये अपने राइड एंड राइडर्स के ग्रुप की है, तो दिस इज़ द वन विच लीड्स द स्क्वाड. तो हमेशा ये आगे रहती है स्क्वाड में, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर आज कौन सी वाली आगे रहेगी.
My name is Kamal Chaudhary and today we are riding for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2025. We are going to ride today from here to the Pavilion Mall, but the route is going to be different. We are here for a cause, and the cause is men's mental health and awareness about prostate cancer. I request each one of you to spend some time with each other, talk about it and know what the details are. If you need some more details, you will have it from my side or from the crew. The crew for today, I have Bhushan, who's going to lead. Bhushan and Sachin are leading the Triumph group. Kishore and I will lead the non-Triumph group from here to the Pavilion Mall. In case there's a change in the route, just follow the lead. We will decide how it goes. But for now, this is the plan. Any questions? Anything that I'm missing that has not been answered? Are we good? Yeah. Things all good?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Good. Thank you so much. We'll get started in next 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
The flags are already placed, so Triumph motorcycles first start lining up, and then the others. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we are starting our journey right. It is 7:55. So there are three batches. The first batch will be of Triumph motorcycles. The second batch and the third batch will be of the other motorcycles. So we are in the third batch right now. So all the RR members are in the third batch. And this is how the entire lineup is. So it is led by Kishore sir and the tail is by the Raden riders only. So the road will be, I thought it is just a short ride, but it is not a short ride. We are taking a long route. So firstly we'll be going to Pashan, then we'll be going to Khadki, then Wakdewadi, then JM Road, and we'll be ending to Pavilion Mall. So this is how the route for today is. And we are in the tail group. सब लोग आगे हैं. Single lane. Thanks, man. It is a plain road, maybe 2 lanes are fine. But I am for sure for the most of the time we'll be taking a single lane only. And I'm not using my gloves because we are riding in the city. Oh man, oh man. The good part about the group rides is you get to see a lot of new motorcycles, like from oldest to oldest to newest. So I guess this is the first ride where this much riders are included in a single ride. Look at this beauty. This guy came with his child, like इतने सुंदर लग रहे थे वो. I know he will be a great rider in future. Like he's trained for that from the childhood. And look at this positioning of the bike. Yaar. It's a Harley Davidson. Just look at the firing. It's like an orgasm to my ears, bro. Also, we have an old scooter. So I told you, like oldest to oldest to newest, you'll able to see it. It's a single lane over here. Beautiful, beautiful. We have a lot of signals over this road, so इसलिए हमें बार बार रुकना पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे. I think there is a breakfast over here and from here we have to part the ways out. And as a rider, you will be knowing this is the hardest part of any group ride. Like parting away is after a ride, after a good ride. Like if you ride on Sundays for the entire week, it will be in your mind see how good the ride was last weekend. Man, यहाँ पे वो हार्ली डेविडसन का आवाज क्या आएगा? Man, this is amazing. Okay. So the entire parking is filled by the riders. वहाँ भी है, तो यहाँ से पूरा यहाँ तक. And I guess this is just batch 3. I think, I'm not sure. So let's get the helmet off. Now we are entering into the pavilion now, and I guess there is some small refreshment over here. We are done with the ride and we are heading back towards the home. अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा बारिश आना चालू हो गया है, so I think it is better to put the rain gears on because कोट पहना है भाई, ख़राब हो जाएगा नहीं तो. So we are heading back towards the home and it has started drizzling now. And I'm in my formal attire now and I don't want to ruin my clothes. So rain gears मैंने पहन ली है. Is it right from here? I think yeah, it is right. Okay. Now the time is 10 AM. कितना 8 बजे निकले, 2 घंटे में तो पूरा इवेंट खत्म हो गया with ride and with the breakfast and everything. So the ride was for I guess 1 hour and the event was for 1 hour. So 2 hours and we are wrapped up. So I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do subscribe, like, share, comment. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.